Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I like to share with you a card kit that Spellbinders is actually bringing back from last year. And in case you missed it last year, hopefully you get the chance to get it this time. I'm hoping that it's still available by the time this video goes up. Please check the description box, open it up, and you will find a link that will take you to this card kit. Now this card kit is called the Sparkling Holiday. It is Card Kit of the Month Club. It's part of the club, but you can actually get it without having to join the club, but you can always join the club, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and share with you what comes inside. So it comes in this box in case you've never received a card kit before from Spellbinders, which I have to say that this is my very first one. And this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up. Comes with like this idea piece right here, and it tells you everything that comes in it. So as you can see, this was for the October 2019, so this is from last year. And look at these beautiful colors, you guys, and that's why I chose to work with this one, because I love these non-traditional colors. These are perfect for winter themed cards. I'm gonna go through them quickly, but as you can see, it says here it comes with 10 cards and 10 envelopes. So here are your 10 cards already cut, scored, and folded for you, and the 10 envelopes. And then it says it comes with 9 pieces of cardstock. Here are the 9 pieces of cardstock that coordinate very nicely with this collection. And that is pretty neat. And look, it even comes with the silver one, so I don't want to blind you guys. And then, so you can see all the colors right here. That is pretty neat. I didn't even notice it, you guys, because it was literally like this at the bottom of the box. So I thought this was just the end of the box. And then it says the set of dies, and here are the dies. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Okay, so here are the dies. It says Merry Christmas, Holiday Cheer, and then has the greenery and the flower, the poinsettia. So you can make a wreath out of this. So that's pretty neat. And it says a paper pad, which is this one right here. So it comes with a complete 6x6 paper pad. And I'm going to give you a quick flip through to see what that paper pad looks like. Oh my gosh, it has these lavender colors. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that swan. Oh, that is gorgeous. And I really love these soft colors mixed with the darker ones, like that navy blue. This is really beautiful. Oh, I love this. So and then it repeats again. So that's what the paper pad looks like. And from what I can see, that this is going to go a long way. You're going to be able to make more than the 10 cards based on this paper pad. All right, so that's that. And it comes with a stamp set, which is right here. Love it, because for me, this is easy to use since I don't do a lot of stamping as it is. It comes with a sticker pack, and here is the sticker pack. And I was looking at it, and it is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love it. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. It has like these soft colors, and then they also have like these really dark colors. I like it a lot. Oh, that swan is just gorgeous, and I love the flowers. And then it also comes with a die cut shapes, and here it is right there. Now I'm gonna open and show you some of them, but not all of them. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm the type of person who likes to purchase like 2 of everything because I don't like to run out. So usually when I buy stickers, ephemera, and embellishment stuff like that, I always like to buy at least 2 of everything. And I didn't know, but this package comes with 2 of every single design that they have in here, and they have several designs. Now what I'm sharing with you here is maybe half of them, or not even half, but there are 2 of each and they're gorgeous. So like I said, you can make way more than 10 cards with this card kit. And that's what was inside this package. And then it also comes with the adhesive gemstones, as you can see. And it comes with foam squares. It has everything, you guys. And it even has adhesive tape. So that is everything. Like literally, you don't need anything else. So in a next video, I'm going to share with you a few cards that I make using this card kit itself. And let's see what I come up with. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check the description box for a direct link to this card kit. I hope you guys really like it and get to buy it and enjoy it and make cards with it. Like I said, it has everything here that you need. I mean, it even comes with die sets, and that's pretty neat. And you don't even have to use the die sets if you don't want to. Literally everything. Like, I think the only cutting you would have to do is just cut a few of these pieces of paper to layer the base of your card if you wanted to. And that's pretty much it, you guys. And then, of course, if you want to do some die cutting, then you can. But I mean, the die cuts already come with a few sentiments, as you can see, and this is literally ready for you to start creating some beautiful cards. All right, you guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check the description box for a direct link to this card kit. Bye, everyone.